Ed, we're at Torrey Pines Golf Course, and we're standing in front of some Torrey Pines. These are the iconic tree. What is special about a Torrey Pine?
Well, the Torrey Pine is just a beautiful tree, and it is a rare and special tree, especially here, the namesake for our golf course. And it's only found here at Torrey Pines in this limited area. And also there's another subspecies out on Santa Rosa Island, just off the coast here. That's the only place in the world where they're found.
And so that has become kind of the tree of the course. I see them planted all throughout the course.
Correct.
How do they do with all this grass and all this water and irrigation and fertilizer and all this stuff?
Well, the course was built in the 1950s, and the trees, many of them mature, have done very, very well over their lifespan and the longevity of the course since it's been here. So they have adapted. And like I said, they adapt very well to the coastal conditions that we have.
And is there anything threatening them now?
Yes, unfortunately, we've had several years of drought, as you know, and the drought has stressed the trees. And with that stress, and I think the age of the tree as well, they've been susceptible to the Ips beetle. And the Ips beetles are taking a number on them, really having some fatality and damage.
So you've lost some?
Yeah, we've lost about 20% just this past year.
Wow, 20% in a year?
Yep.
So what do you do?
Well, multiple things. I mean, we are working closely with the reserve next door where they're losing the same percentage. And what we've implemented is ArborJet treatments. It's a systemic insecticide that is injected into the trunk. And the hope is that insecticide will get translocated and protect the tree.
So it's kind of like taking medicine.
Yes. Yes.
I hope it works.
Yeah.
Guys, these are traps for the bark.
Okay, Ed, I know this is a beetle trap, but I don't exactly understand how it works.
Okay, it's called a pheromone trap, and these tiny packets contain the pheromone that attracts the beetle. And what happens is the beetles are attracted to this, they come inside and they fall down to the bottom and are trapped in this little container down below.
So this is like a one-way.
Yes.
One way in, no way out.
Exactly, exactly.
And so when you get the beetles in here, what does that tell you?
Well, it helps monitor the population of beetles. I mean, we're trapping a small percentage of the beetles, but it allows us to monitor the activity so that we know how many beetles are present and what we need to do to treat the trees.
So it's not to collect them to keep them away from the trees, it's just a way of tracking their population.
Exactly. It does take a small percentage away from attacking the trees, but it's more of a monitoring device, correct.
So, oh, I see them in there. Those little brown things, huh?
Yep.
Kind of cigar shape.
Yes. And there are thousands of them, unfortunately. We've planted over 100 trees this past year to replenish trees that we've lost from the beetles. And
it's a nice tree. So how big was this when you planted it?
This was a 24-inch box.
So it was a lot shorter, right?
Correct. It's got a lot of new growth, and it's built caliper in the trunk, and it's been almost a year, and it's really enjoying the location, as you can see.
I'd say it's one happy tree.
Yes.